Hey guys, this is Antonio here from Poppa Homes, where we talk about turning credit into wealth. Doing a quick little video. We want to evaluate the landscaping of your property, the outside of your property, and when it comes to the outside of your property, how does it look? How does it show? If you got bushes and brushes all in front of your property, then that's not good. You want to be able to see that property. So I'm right here in front of one of my new potential flips here that we about to work on, and I'm excited for it because I think it's gonna be pretty simple unless some crazy stuff happen. But the outside of this house is not that great because we got grown up trees and bushes and branches in front of the property.
Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy today.
So as you can see here, we got a beautiful house here, but look at these bushes and branches here. This is horrible. You better can see the property. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually cut these things down all the way, add some mulch here as well, add some mulch around the house, because at the moment we can't see the house. We better can see the shuttles. I mean, it just look bushy here. And what it does, it just pretty much takes away from the house. So if you got a house, guys, if you got bushes in front of the house, get those things cleared up. Because when people drive up this road here, when they drive up this road here and they come to this house, they want to be able to visualize that beautiful house. If they can't see it, it just makes it a little bit more difficult on you selling that property. So stuff like this, get these bushes and stuff cleaned out, get them hedges done, get you a good yard guy to come in and clean this stuff out, put some mulch in there. I mean, just simple. See all this stuff here? Very easy to clean out. And it looks like they had some mulch here at one time before. I can tell, but it's pretty old there, but we're gonna have to go back down with some mulch. And we're looking to paint this house white with black shutters, and I think we're gonna go black mulch as well. I think that's gonna look beautiful. The good thing about it, we already got a good lining outside of this house, so we're not gonna have to change that. So we already got good lining that's already set up and ready to go. So we just pretty much got to clean it up. But the problem is that you can't see the house, and it just makes it that much more difficult to sell a property when this stuff here is not cleaned up. So overall, you have to think about it. When it comes to a person driving up in front of your property and they're looking at it for the first time, how does the landscaping look? And if it looks horrible, you're gonna have to change it. You're gonna have to make it look a little bit better than what it is. And this little changes that we're gonna do to this property here, it's gonna make a world of difference. And these are the things like here, around this tree here, we're gonna get a surrounding here. You go out here to get this cleaned up and just put some mulch inside the surrounding. And also we're gonna do it at the other tree over there. Simple vegetation, but beside that, we just gonna mow the yard and keep it simple. Now, at the end of the day, when it comes to landscaping, you can kind of go overboard with it. And what I tell people, put most of the money into the beautification of the house, not into all the landscaping. Do some minor landscaping. We're here in Louisiana, and this is almost a 1,800 square feet house. I would say a house of that nature, 3 bedroom, 2 baths, unless your vegetation and landscaping is that horrible, I would say try to keep your landscaping around $600 to $700 the most. That's with the labor and materials all together. You don't want to be spending thousands of dollars on your landscaping, because it's not gonna come down to that. It's gonna come down to the inside of that property, guys. So take that tip for today. Hey, do me a favor, guys, like and subscribe here to the channel and page here. Hey, I make these videos just for you guys. Been doing this for 20 some years. I love it, and I love helping people. Not only helping myself, but I love helping people. So you guys with these little tips and things that I have learned over the years when it comes to roofing, the plumbing of a house, the electrical stuff, the floors, the layout, the bathrooms and kitchens. When it comes to all those years of doing all those types of things, I pretty much know what to do and what not to do, and how we need to spend our money and how we don't need to spend our money. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave comments here. You got questions, I would be glad to answer those questions for you. Let's go flip a house, guys. We out.